Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at that. And welcome back. Today's an exciting one. I'd like to welcome almost 1,000 extra subscribers because of a forge welding video I did over a year ago. It was an extremely long, talkative video, but I did say in the beginning this is a teaching one. This is not so much. What I'll do today is, this is the crimped end of that piece of cable, or 2 pieces that I did back then. I'm going to cut it off here, and I don't know even what you would call this. Cable Sanmai / canister cable damascus thing. I don't know. We're going to see what happens. It's dirty. I can't untwist it. I can get some flux in there and at the bottom maybe. I don't know. Let's see what'll happen. You got no handle. Gotta weld the handle on first. There it is. Just the burning. Last weld. Okay, turning the forge off because this is going to be a cleaning and straightening. I don't have a left-handed glove, so this makes it so much harder. Okay, I don't want to jinx it, but this thing does feel solid. Yes, burn your face. Okay. Right. There it is. Okay, are you guys ready for this? I haven't looked at this end. This was the end of the handle. Cut it off, and I put it on my belt sander, and I just did this, and I didn't look. So I don't know. Yes! Holy, there's nothing. There's nothing, look at that. That's perfectly welded. Okay, I'm gonna polish this quickly with Scotch-Brite wheel. And then we'll stick it in some acid and see what's going on. Okay, gave it a quick polish. Let's go throw this in the acid. I'm gonna do this live in front of you. See what this does. Let's wipe that off. Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at that. Oh, I gotta bring you in for the close-up on this one. That looks insane. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do this more and then I'll bring you guys back. Come on, focus. Look at that. I'll be able to make a few knives out of this bar. What do you guys think? It is possible and it does work. That's insane. Wow, okay, so I honestly didn't think that was gonna work. That's incredible. Okay, on the next video probably I'll be making a knife out of this, that's for sure. I have to make a knife out of this, or two. Like, this thing is almost a foot long. Cut it in half and make some hidden tang knives. Yeah. Please, down in the description, if you have an idea of what I could do with this, or have an idea for a knife type deal, throw down in the description. I'll go through them. Yeah. So anyway, guys, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm still stoked about this. When I threw this in the first time, you could see the casing and then the cable in the middle, and you'd see the casing go orange. The cable was almost yellow, and right in between the casing and the cable, it looked like there was a type of a cement or something in there, or an epoxy, or I don't know, something. It worked. It's forge welded. Okay. Guys and gals, share this, please. I would appreciate it. Thank you to all the new subscribers, you guys, for watching that video and for hitting the subscribe button. I honestly appreciate it. The likes on that video went sky high, so thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. See you guys on the next video. See ya.